When you talk about, kind of what makes an experience, and it was funny, I was thinking about this before, and it was one of the words that would have been used before, but for me it was kind of like an empathetic value. Because I think in banking and in healthcare and even in hospitality, like whenever I worked in hospitality, I very much approached it that this was a space we were designing that was a home surrogate. There had to be trust, there had to be kind of a sense of where you're going as a safe space. There was a time when your doctor and your banker were kind of like the two most trusted people in your lives, and I think technology and a lot of other things have engineered that out. I think there's even an interesting trend, I think, around the disappearance of currency and how the whole world is kind of turning into Las Vegas as you devalue physical currency as it moves digital. So, but I think a lot of those experiences, wherever they are, like for me, technology will never replace humanity. Technology will never be an idea. It can be an assistant to it. It can help, whether it's in healthcare or banking or anything else, help with that process. But if there's not value there, if there's not empathy there, if there's not humanity there, because both, your money and your health are probably the two most important things. If there is not value there, if there's not the feeling like I feel like, I'm putting myself in a very vulnerable position of admitting that I don't know as much about my health or my finances, if that isn't respected, if it isn't nurtured, if there isn't somebody that I can have a dialogue with, I think that's why you see people shrink away from financial institutions or doctors or other things like that, just because there's not a resonance in the experience.